This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 3rd day of March. James Spann here. Storm is gone. We can focus on a warming trend, but still today pretty raw for this time of the year. Let's look out the window this morning. First off with the Chehaw sky cam, and yeah, there's snow covered up there. Tammy Power tells us about 3 to 4 inches as of last night, which of course is still there this morning. It'll be fun to see that shot when the sun comes up. It was pretty much obscured by clouds much of the day yesterday. There's the Gadsden sky cam. Still some snow on the ground up there on the mountain, not too far from Nakalula Falls. And just for the fun of it, we'll go over to Mississippi. That's the sky cam in downtown Greenwood over in the Delta. And no snow there. They are clear and cold. Water vapor satellite shot. The storm is rolling up the Atlantic seaboard. Cold air covers the east, ridge over the west, but that whole pattern's going to flatten out as the week rolls along here, meaning a warming trend coming up, but still today is going to be pretty brisk. We are below freezing where the sky is cleared. You can pretty much pick it out. You've got Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Alabaster. We had some clearing, and that allowed temperatures to drop down to at or below freezing, but the clouds will kind of wrap back in today. In fact, we think most everybody will be generally cloudy today with highs only in the 40s. And there's the national numbers. And my golly, it's pretty cold for early March. I mean, this is meteorological spring now. It sure doesn't look that way on that map. But again, as the pattern de-amplifies, we will warm up. In fact, we're talking well up in the 60s by the weekend. Watch warning map. Things are calming down. Got some advisories on the immediate Atlantic coast for the departing storm. Couple out west, but things are nice and quiet around here. And look at that. No precipitation for the next 5 days. This valid through the weekend, valid through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock. Looks like our next chance of rain will be early next week, Monday night or Tuesday, as you'll see. Here's the 06C GFS at noon today. This is at 500 millibars. There's your trough over the east, making it kind of cool and raw today. And check out the storm coming into the upper Pacific coast. Down below that, things are nice and quiet. But again, cloudy and cool. Mid to upper 40s today. We should be in the low 60s this time of the year. Tomorrow should be a sunny day, the high in the low 50s. Friday, we start to warm up. Temperatures will be up into the mid-50s. Saturday, how about the 60s? That'll be nice. A lot of sun with mid-60s likely. And then Sunday, we go for the upper 60s. Somebody might see 70 on their backyard thermometer Sunday afternoon. That'll get you in the springtime mood. And then Monday of next week, there's that next shortwave, the one we have called Dolly for so long. It is a negative tilt shortwave, and down below that, we have a 1,000 millibar low in southern Kansas, and with potential for strong to severe storms out there around the Arklatex, around Shreveport, Texarkana. This run not as intense, and Tuesday the thing just kind of fizzles out. The low fills, and we have rain, but nothing really all that heavy or no severe storms, if this is right. Hopefully that trend continues, but we have plenty of time to watch that. We'll go out there toward the end of the forecast at mid-month, and it's back. Cold air, eastern trough. How long have we seen that this winter? And down below that, the 540 line below Montgomery, big storm rolls up the eastern seaboard, maybe a big snow there for the New York and Boston. And the idea of cold weather at mid-month is indeed supported by the Arctic Oscillation. You see it flips positive for a brief time next week. Around the weekend, that's when things get nice and warm. But then we go negative again, which suggests that winter is not over yet. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.